No, the transcriptions need to be done by 7 a.m., okay?
Where to?
At downtown, 312 North Spring Street. Take Sepulveda to Sloss and to La Brea, La Brea North to 6th and to downtown.
I'll take 105 East and up the 110. It's faster.
What?
105 to the 110 is faster.
110 turns into a parking lot at USC.
This late, 110 is moving, but Labrador north of the Santa Monica is jammed.
110 north of the 10, you've got people going to Pasadena and they drive slow.
That's why I jump off at Grand. But hey, that's what you want. That's what you do.
What if you're wrong? You taking bets?
Your ride is free.
You got yourself a deal. Go ahead. Say it. Go ahead.
Lucky with the lights.
You were not lucky, you were right, and I was wrong. If you'd listened to me, we'd all be bogged down in traffic right now, and you'd make yourself an extra $5. How many cabbies get you into an argument to save you money?
There were two of us. I killed the other one. I don't like competition.